Good morning, everybody. Get ready with your books, notebooks, and stationery material. As today we are just going to discuss and practice as well as revise chapter number 5, that is dissolution of partnership firm. Today we will do dissolution of partnership firm. So let's start discussing. Varis, let's start from you. What is your point of view? What do you think about dissolution of partnership firm? What is dissolution of partnership firm from your point of view?
I'm ready.
Varis, please speak.
Whenever there is liquidation of a firm.
Whenever there is liquidation of the firm, yes. Winding up of the firm is the same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what more you can speak about dissolution? Be fast, better. We have to finish the chapter today in discussion. So please be quick. Paris, speak fast. The winding up or the liquidation of any of the firm is known as dissolution of partnership firm. Can you tell me what is the difference between dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership firm? Anybody else, raise your hand. Dissolution of partnership or dissolution of partnership firm? Yes, Kanika. Unmute yourself first. I allowed you.
Sorry, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Dissolution of partnership firm means that the contract is dissolved and the firm will not continue itself. But in dissolution of partnership, it means that contract will change or remove only between partners. There will be no effect on firm. Firm will remain continue with the partners that are left in the firm for working.
Very good. Yes. In case of dissolution of partnership, the firm continue, the one agreement ends up and another agreement starts. But in case of dissolution of partnership firm, the complete firm wind up. The liquidation of the firm will be there. So in case of dissolution of partnership only, when the reconstitution has been done in the chapter number 2, 3, 4, what we have done in that case, what is accounting treatment in case of change in existing profit sharing ratio? What is the accounting treatment of change at the time of admission of a new partner? Accounting treatment of in case of retirement as well as death of a partner. We did all this. Now, today we will discuss that what is the accounting treatment in case of dissolution of partnership firm. So, what will be the accounting treatment? Name the accounts that are to be prepared in case of dissolution of partnership firm. Name those accounts fast.
Realization account.
Yes, first realization account. Everybody write in your notebooks. Accounts prepared at the time of dissolution of partnership firm. Number 1, realization account. Number 2,
Partners loan account.
partners loan account. Good, because after realizing the assets and paying off the outside liabilities in realization account, partners loan has been paid. Next,
Partners capital account.
partners capital account. Very good, because partners capital account is to be prepared to pay off the capital of or final capitals of the partners. Yes, next,
Bank account.
bank account. Bank account is to be prepared to verify whatever the cash available and received by realizing the asset is to be paid off completely to pay the partner's capital, outside liabilities, partner's loan, etc. In this way, these 4 accounts are to be prepared. Let's revise once again. Number 1, realization account. Number 2, partner's loan account, partner's capital account, and then bank account. Now I'm giving you 5 minutes to everybody. Please draw the format of realization account, partner loan account, partner capital account, and bank account, and put up all the entries in that and show me on the camera screen. 5 minutes everybody have. Draw the format. Those who have not switch on their cameras, I request them to please switch on your cameras. Because beta see, whatever, if you are not joining the class properly, I'll not provide you marks in internal assessment. I'm telling you very clearly. You people are not visible to me that what you are doing. It may be possible whether you switch on the class and you just join in the Zoom class and keep the mobile aside. Any possibility is there. So I just want to see that you are just doing, sitting in a classroom like and doing the work properly. So switch on your cameras, please. Saurabh, Sanjog, Ashwini, Ridhiman, and Muskan, Harvinder. All you please switch on your cameras fast and start maintaining the account that are to be prepared at the time of dissolution of partnership firm. Devanshu, please unmute yourself.
Unmute here, ma'am.
My side it is not unmute.
Unmute है.
Sorry, mute yourself. I am muted. Okay. I am muted now. You just leave. Kohina, you are looking upset. What happened, beta? Are you not able to draw the format? Kohina, is it okay everything?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not seems to be well today. If anybody have any difficulty while drawing the account, you can discuss with me personally right now. And others who are well aware of preparation of these accounts, they please prepare the accounts. Those who are unable to draw, please switch on your camera and talk to me. Divanshu, have you completed? Show me on the screen if you have done.
Realization account.
Have you drawn? I instructed everybody to draw the format. Make it
Yes,
more
ma'am.
close to camera. Make it more close to camera. It's not visible to me. No, it's not visible to me. Show me the complete format. Better not only to draw the lines, write the items as well. You have draw the lines only. Please fill the items that are to be shown as well. Like realization account will be started with the balance of assets, two assets, all the balances of assets except cash and bank balances to be shown there. By liabilities, all the liabilities except partner loan. In this way, you have to draw. Do it fast, like Kanika has done. See, look at the screen. You did it.
Ma'am, done.
Very good. Let me check Kanika's, then I'll check yours. Kanika, make it more close, beta. A little.
Ma'am, done.
Wait a while. Kanika, what is the third item you have written? Unmute yourself.
I'm on which side?
Debit side.
Dissolution expenses.
Dissolution expenses. Why don't you put to and by? Without to and by, the account is incomplete. You have not written to and by. You always mistaken this. Mansi, you please show me a notebook. Now it's correct.
Wait, ma'am.
Mansi did it so nicely. Very good, Mansi. Mansi, may I just do it close a little, as I'm unable to read the content that is written. Okay, fine. Show me partner's loan account. Very good. Mansi, it's in such a fabulous manner. Mansi, you please send this format in the form of PDF to me. I'll just send it to all the students as well. Send whatever you have maintained PDF to me immediately right now. I just send it to all the students right now and they will check it.
Okay, ma'am. I will send.
Okay. Anybody else has maintained the account? Please show me the bank account. Bank account is left to see. And I am just sending PDF to all of you that the Mansi is sending to me. You may check it that whether you are doing correct or incorrect. And if you find anywhere else that there is a difference and you are doing incorrect, please take the query from me. Understand the concept so clearly. Unless you will not clarify the concept, you will not be able to attempt correctly in the paper. Mansi, you did in such a fabulous manner. As I want, one thing is left over there. Wherever you have written in partner's loan or partner's capital to bank account, please write the payment, final payment of loan, final payment of capital. In capital account you have mentioned, but in loan account you have not mentioned. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
sending this PDF she made in such a fabulous manner, and I'm sending to everybody. Please check your format that you have prepared. And wherever you find any difficulty, please ask from me. Feel free to have any query if you have. Yes, I just sent it in the group. You will just get it from there. Okay, so let's move ahead about the journal entries. Journal entries are also very important in case of dissolution of partnership firm. Vanshika, that we have
Yes.
done about the accounts that we have maintained. Now we are just discussing that the journal entries, because you might have the question related to the passing journal entries in the question, or whether you can have the question of the preparation of ledger account. Ledger account we have discussed that 4 account has been prepared and how it is to be prepared, what are the items are to be shown. Let's discuss now that what are the journal entries are to be made. Like the first of all, the asset transfer. What should be the entry?
Realization account debited to assets account.
Yes, very good. As we are just transferring our assets from our balance sheet to the account, so it will be credited. In which account we are transferring the asset? In the realization account. So the entry will be realization account debit to asset account. Everybody please note down on your notebooks for the transfer of assets. Realization account debit to assets account. Second, transfer of liability, Vanshika, fast.
Liabilities account debited to realization account.
Yes, as liabilities are credit in nature, now it is transferring to the realization account, so it will be debited now, and liabilities will be debit to realization account. Good. For realizing assets,
Bank account debited to realization account.
debit what comes in? The cash or bank is increasing due to selling the assets, and assets are sold out, so the entry will become bank account debit to realization account. Very good. Whatever the assets realized. Liability paid off.
Realization account debited to bank account.
Realization account debit to
Bank
bank
account.
account. Very good. And dissolution expense paid off. The same thing is to be done. You may write for the
Realization account
liability
debited
paid
to
off.
bank account.
Yes, liability paid off or the dissolution expense paid off. The entry will become realization account debit to bank account. Please complete these 4 entries fast within a 1 minute. Then I'll move ahead. Okay. After writing these 4 entries, Lakshmi, suppose there is an unrecorded assets on above in the statement balance sheet is given to us, and in the adjustment it is given there is a typewriter that is not recorded in the books but realized now of rupees 5,000. What is to be what is the entry to be done for the unrecorded
Bank-
asset?
Realization account.
Sorry, your voice
Bank
is
account.
cracking. Bank account debit to realization. Very good. Bank account debit to realization account, and the narration will be for the realizing unrecorded asset. Suppose there is a liability generated or incurred at the time of dissolution of firm. What should be the entry for the unrecorded liability?
Realization account debit to bank account.
Very good. Realization account debit to bank account. And what is the entries to be done for balancing the realization account?
Repeat, ma'am.
For balancing the realization account, suppose you have done all the entries on the debit side as well as credit side. Now you have to balance the account. So while balancing the account, what should be the entry? While balancing the account, what should be the entry? Suppose you balance the realization account and credit side is exceeding now. Credit side is exceeding. Credit side is more than the debit side. So what should be the entry in that case? Sorry.
Realization account debit.
Realization
Partners
account debit to partners capital account. Absolutely correct. Please everybody write down for balance transfer to realization account of profit, because the credit side is exceeding, then the profit will be there and the entry will become realization account debit to partners capital account. But if the debit side exceed, the entry will become reverse. It will be
Partners capital account.
partners capital account debit to realization account. So whatever the profit or loss will be there, in which ratio it is to be divided among the partners?
Old ratio.
Old ratio. Whatever the ratio that is given in the, because there is no new ratio, the ratio of all the partners, it is to be divided in that. Very good. Very good, Lakshmi. Did so well. Now, after that, the capital balance has been transferred. For the transfer of capital balancing, there will be no entry. But if the general reserve, profit and accumulated profit and loss, all these items are to be transferred, it is to be posted. Harvinder, what should be the entry for the transfer of general reserve or accumulated profit or loss? What should be the entry for the transfer of accumulated profit or general reserve? Harvinder, I am asking from you. Network error. Kohina, you please let me know.
General reserve account debited to old partners.
Yes, general reserve, profit and loss, or profit and loss, whatever it is given, debit to all partners capital account. In their ratio, it is to be divided. And what is the entries to be done for the final payments made to the partners? What is the entries to be done for the final payments made to the partners?
Old partners capital account debited to bank account.
All or old? It's all? All.
All
Okay. All partner capital account debit to
bank account.
bank account. Very good. For the final payment of capital. And before the capital, the loan is to be paid to the partner. So what should be the entry of loan, payment of loan? It is also very much similar, beta. Payment of capital means partner's capital account debit to bank account. Payment of loan means partner's loan account debit to bank account. Okay. In this way, we have to do all the journal entries, and some of the entries that is related to the commission paid or whatever. It is first 2 examples are given to you. Everybody has to do those examples. If you find any difficulty, you may ask. Feel free to ask the query. Okay. So this is all about the conclusion of the chapter that we have discussed today. Now you have to do the additional practicals and all the journal entries of the chapter number 5, dissolution of partnership firm. Everybody has to do this chapter. Do all the numerical. Firstly, do all the examples, then do all the numericals. And if you have any difficulty, please ask for me. Still, if anybody have any difficulty, please ask. Otherwise, I am going to wind up the class. If you have any query, any doubt regarding any question, any particular question, if you want to ask, you may ask that one also. Or any particular adjustment that you want to ask, you may ask that one also. Or if you want to study it today and tomorrow you want to ask, that is also your choice. But feel free to ask the query. Okay, so I think we should wind up the class today. Okay, fine. I'm just going to wind up the class today. Everybody has to revise this chapter so intensively, so thoroughly, and do each and every example as well as additional numerical of the chapter. Do practice. Practice makes a man perfect, and have a wise use of your time. Don't waste it at all, because every single minute is so important for you. Exams are very near nowadays. So do well. Thank you. Have a nice day.